Hello, what is up, guys? Today I kind of want to talk about OKRs, which that stands for Objective and Key Result. OKRs are something that you do every quarter. So there's 3 quarters in a year, and I kind of talked about this in my book recommendations video. Measure What Matters is the book that I kind of talked about, and it's a really good book. But basically, it helps you get from point A to point B, measuring your steps, measuring your success, I guess. And let's say maybe you want to make $10,000 that quarter, and say your business is just on its wave. It just got on the surf, like you've been on the surfboard for a while. You've been going, and then you just hit the wave. You just hit the wave, and you're just hitting the wave right now. You're gonna make $10,000. So what you do is you write down your OKR. And so, how am I going to get there? How I know I'm gonna get there? What am I personally gonna do to get there? That's basically an OKR. And if you made it to this far in the video, first of all, subscribe. Okay. If you don't subscribe, then you're not a true human. You're a bot. You're a bot if you don't subscribe. Period. Anyways, that's all for right now. For today. For this week. And I'll see you next week. So stay positive. Number 1, stay positive. 2, grow your business. 3, be nice. It's not that hard. And peace out.